UFC number 4th rank bantamweight contender Rob Font is going to fight number 5th rank contender Jose Aldo on December 5th. It's the main event for UFC Fight Night and it will be a 5 rounder. One thing is really surprising that Jose Aldo is still fighting at this high level, because if you look at the age difference, Rob Font is 34 years old and Jose Aldo is 35-year-old. So how does it going to play out? For that, let's look at how they fight and what their previous fights have been like. So Rob Font is currently on a 4-fight winning streak. His last 4 wins were against Sergio Pettis, Ricky Simon, Marlon Moraes and Cody Garbrandt. As you all know, Jose Aldo was a long-time champion at featherweight division and he moved to bantamweight. At bantamweight, he has 4 fights, in which he has won 2 and lost 2. He is currently on a 2-fight win streak. His last 2 wins were against Marlon Chito Vera and Pedro Munhoz, and both were 3-round fights. If you talk about fighting experience, then Jose Aldo has been in 12 championship fights in UFC, in which he lost 3, won 9, and he won 6 fights by decision. Rob Font's last fight against Cody Garbrandt was a 5-round main event, in which he dominated Cody Garbrandt. But in that fight, Cody Garbrandt had huge reach disadvantage, and in this fight as well, Rob Font has 4-inch reach advantage over Jose Aldo. Rob Font primarily likes to strikes, put pressure, he uses his jab really well, and he likes to go to the body as well, and he can grapple if he has to. But beautiful thing about Jose Aldo is his significant strikes are distributed over head, body and legs. He lands at head by 67%, at body 70% and leg kicks 16%. Even if you look at all the fight Petr Yan had, Jose Aldo hurt him the most. But from 3rd round, Petr Yan started to take over in that fight. But Petr Yan does that to everybody. If you talk about power and chin, then you have to remember Jose Aldo used to fight at featherweight. There are a lot of hard hitters there. Maybe that's why he has been able to perform really well in bantamweight, because he does not have to be afraid of at least power. I'm not saying that he cannot be knocked out. Anybody can be knocked out with 4-ounce gloves. Rob Font like to pressure as well, but he is not as consistent as somebody like Petr Yan. He likes to stick to his game plan and fight intelligently. He does not get into a brawl, because in the Cody Garbrandt fight, Cody was enticing him to reach for him, but he didn't do that. Jose Aldo has performed reasonably well at bantamweight. His first fight against Marlon Moraes, many people believe that he won that fight. Petr Yan fight, he was doing well for the 2 rounds, and after that, you know the story. Then his last 2 fights, both were against dangerous opponent, Marlon Chito Vera. He likes to put pressure as well, and he has good striking, very good kicks. In that fight, Jose Aldo was tired, and last round, 3rd round in that fight, he took Chito Vera down and he held him there. But he looked quite sharp against Pedro Munhoz, who is a brawler and he hits really hard. But he outdid him in that fight. Jose Aldo went toe to toe with him, and in that fight he used everything really well. His punches to the head, he was throwing leg kicks at body and legs, and he said that as well, that he has been working on his boxing as well with Brazil Marine Corps. It shows that he still has that burning desire to fight for a UFC title once again at different division and possibly win it. But Rob Font is hungry as well, and he is very disciplined. So if we talk about the ground game, Jose Aldo's grappling accuracy is far better than Rob Font. Jose Aldo has 57% grappling accuracy and Rob Font 36%. But there is one interesting stats which might come into play in that fight. Jose Aldo's takedown defense is 91% and Rob Font's takedown defense is 48%. So if fight goes to the fourth round, then it's clear that Jose Aldo will try to take him down, which he did against Marlon Chito Vera. Rob Font was taken down in his last fight against Cody Garbrandt as well. But in that fight, Cody Garbrandt had problem getting to him. So they are very similar, but they have slight different way of approaching the fight. Jose Aldo worked through everything: head, body, legs, and Rob Font goes through head and body. But strength wise and skill wise, they are very closely matched. So it will come down to mainly who wants it more and who is able to keep his composure and fight through the game plan. Let me know what do you think, and if you ask about my prediction, I think Jose Aldo will win this fight via unanimous decision. But still anything can happen, and thanks for watching this video. I will keep updating more, and please subscribe my channel.